So Islamic history essentially is the most unique. Why? Because for the first time in human history, there was an unprecedented rise in female scholarship. Never before in history were women so instrumental in the intellectual development of a civilization. All this because the Prophet ﷺ emphasized on the education of men and women equally. How can, now keeping all of that in mind, okay, so I'm going to prove it to you how women were so instrumental in the building of the Islamic civilization. But then the question would be, how can we as Muslim women today in the 21st century reclaim this glorious legacy and work towards the imminent Islamic revival, which has been prophesied by the Prophet ﷺ himself? That's something that we want to be talking about. Many people are not aware that the Prophet ﷺ emphatically prophesied about a global Islamic revival in the end times. And we are almost somewhere near that, inshallah.